Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, we are continuing our playlist towards Python programming, and today we are going to discuss some more operations related to the strings in Python programming. So, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So, let's continue our journey towards Python playlist. Okay, so in our previous videos and in our previous playlist we have discussed about strip. We have also discussed about lstrip and rstrip in Python programming, and we saw the example which is related to the space, how to represent this particular string variable without space by using lstrip, and we also saw the representation using rstrip. Okay, and now let's take the same example. Okay, and let's see, instead of space we'll give some kind of special characters. Okay, for example, okay, so here you can see like best place is equal to Bangalore is one of the best place in India. Okay, so here you can see the space before Bangalore, so we'll remove this space and we'll replace with some special characters. We'll replace with any special characters. Okay, you can take dollar. Okay, and here instead of space, here we'll put it some other special character like star. Okay, so now let's run this particular cell. Okay, so suppose if you run this string variable best place, you will get dollar here and you will also see star here. Okay, so you will get the output as it is, whatever it is mentioned here. Okay, suppose if you want to represent this string variable by without using these special characters beginning and after the end of the particular string, means what you have to do is, here we'll just see how to do it. Okay, dot, so left side what kind of special character guys we have a dollar symbol. Okay, so we'll just put it as lstrip since it's left side. So what is the special character we have dollar. Okay, and now let's run this particular cell and let's see what kind of output we may get. So here we can see the output, Bangalore is one of the best place in India, and after that we can see the star. Okay, so this is how we remove the special characters, whatever it is present before our expected output. Suppose if you want to remove both, for example we'll take this same example. So here we saw like we removed only the special characters which was in the beginning. So we'll try to see the output. So let's see like how to remove both the special characters, both beginning and ending. Okay, we'll take this best place and we'll just paste it here. So left side we have a special character of dollar which we want to remove it, and right side, sorry, rstrip, so right side we have star, so we want to remove that particular special character. Okay, now let's run this particular cell and let's see like whether do we get the output, expected output without any special characters. So we are supposed to get only this as the output. Okay, so let's see, do we get the output or not. Yes, we got the expected output, Bangalore is one of the best places in India. Okay, so this is how we use lstrip and rstrip to remove the special characters which are present both left side and right side. Okay, so we'll see some other example. Okay, so we'll try to add some more cells and let's see. Okay, so for example, let's take a is equal to we'll give some name. We'll just give it as python, and b is equal to programming, and c as python programming is one of the mandatory skill to become data scientist. Okay, so for example, scientist, sorry guys. Okay, and suppose if you run this particular cell. Okay, so suppose if you want to represent all three string variables as a one sentence, means what you have to do is print a comma b comma c. Suppose if you run this particular cell, you are supposed to get the output as python programming is one of the mandatory skills to become data scientist. Okay, let's see, like, do we get the expected output or not? Yes, we got the expected output. Okay, so we'll see one of the alternative and the most professional way to represent this. Okay, so for example, we'll give it as 0. I will tell you like why we are using 0, 1, dot format, b comma c. Okay, now let's see, like, do we what kind of output we may get, and after getting the output, I will tell you like why we got that particular output. Okay, let's see. So here we got the same output: python programming is one of the mandatory skills in order to become the data scientist. Okay, so any idea like why we used 0, 1, 2 here, and why we gave the format of abc? Okay, so exactly guys, since we already discussed indexing in python programming starts with 0. Okay, so I have taken format abc. Okay, so 0 is referred to as python, 1 is referred to as programming, 2 is referred to as is one of the mandatory skills in order to become the data scientist. Okay, so this is one of the most professional way which is used by the programmers if you want to represent all the string variables in a particular line. Okay, what we'll mention as so it's one of the way to represent the string variable in a we'll just mention as a string concatenation. Okay, so this is the format used by the professional programmers. Okay, since this looks pretty little bit difficult, but this is the most easiest way. You can just print it as print a comma b comma c, so that you will get the same output. Okay, so we'll just paste it here and we'll run it again. Okay, so that's all about this particular video guys. So this is all about the continuation of string operations. We have used special characters, and we have also uh, represent without special characters. So whenever there is a special characters, like we can represent the particular string without the special characters, both left and right. And we also saw some kind of string concatenation, and we also saw one of the most professional way of representing the by using the string concatenation operation. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. If you really like this particular video, please do hit the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And see you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.